Now you finish recording your videos and editing them. Now what else? Now you need to distribute your videos to all your social media platforms. But to do that is just a pain in a butt. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a way to distribute your video on all social media platforms with just a click of a button like this. Whether you have 5 social media or 10, it doesn't matter. So let's go. So in the last couple of videos, we talked about creation, where we create our video, scripted with Claude, recorded the video with Heijin, or use your twin to create the video, and use 11 Lab to create your voice, and then sync them together with Claude. And then we move to the production phase. Now we want to edit our video. We want to add motion graphics animation, and the video is going to be ready to be distributed. And for that, we use these 2 skills, which one of them, video use and hyperframe. So video use is going to trim and edit the video, and hyperframe is going to animate and render the video, and the video is going to be ready to be uploaded. But in the middle, we enhance our video with quite a few skills. We use Go to have like a full autonomy from an idea to creation to production, and then we enhance by creating thumbnails and titles, and then we created like a best moment. If we have a long video, we want to create short video from that long video, and we included these 4 skills as enhancement. So now what else? Now we have our videos ready, our thumbnails is ready, our titles are ready. Now what else left? We need to distribute this video. We need to make the video public. But distributing one video in 5 different platforms, you have to open like 5 or 6 tabs on your browser, and you upload once by one. You copy and paste. It's just not an efficient way to do work, especially if you're like running a business and you are always on a hurry. So I find a way to distribute our videos using this platform called Zernio. Zernio is social media API for developer and AI agent. So we are going to get the API for this platform and connect that API with Claude. So we sit inside Claude and give the API to Claude and ask Claude, hey, I want to record a video about X, Y, and Z topic. Claude's going to create the video with the creation tools we provided in the first video, and then it's going to edit the video with editing skills, and it's going to enhance the video with these enhancement skills, and then the video is going to be ready to be distributed to these platforms. So this is just a cycle of how you work with AI, with this content operating system. So you create, edit, distribute, create, edit, distribute. So let's just stop yapping and go and actually do the work. So this is the platform I'm talking about. When you come to zernio.com, you will see the social media and messaging API for developer and AI agent. You could ship in minutes instead of months. These are the platforms you could connect. They have social media, messaging app, and ad networks. So you could connect like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, etc., etc., WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, and then they have like Meta ad, Google ad, TikTok ad, etc., etc. So when you come to pricing, you will see something interesting here. You could connect up to 2 accounts for free to start with, no credit card required. And then every feature included, nothing get behind the plan. So on a free plan, you have up to 2 accounts, and it's a usage billing based if you have like more than 2 accounts. So here's a pricing feature I found it. If you have like a 10 account, you have to pay $28 a month. But as I said, 2 account is for free, you pay nothing a month. We have 3 account, you pay $6 a month. And then you have like 4 account, you pay $12. I guess like 1 account for $6 or something. The price is just tricky. I didn't understand it quite yet. But anyway, just look at this and read the pricing. You might understand it. But for a regular person, it's just like 5 account is the max account you could have on all the platforms. Maybe you have like 10 account if you're a pro influencer. If you have like 100 account, maybe you are like an agency or running a social media agency or something like that. So let's just log in. Inside and see what this platform look like from inside. So you just log in with your Gmail, and this is the first interface will open with you. You will first see connections, manage your profile, and platform integration. So these are the platform I've connected. I have like 5 accounts. I have my Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, Twitter, X, previously known as Twitter, and then you have YouTube. So this is the connections. To connect an app is very easy. Just add connection and you will see all the apps you want to connect will pop up at the right here. Just to show you how to connect, I'm going to disconnect my YouTube, disconnect, and I'm going to connect with you guys again. So click on YouTube, and this windows will open with you, and then choose the Gmail you have your account with, and then choose the YouTube account you want to connect. And then select all, access and manage your YouTube videos, views, and manage your YouTube account. Just select all and continue. And voila, YouTube is connected right now. So to connect any other platform, it's just the same. Just click connect and it's going to open a tab in your browser to authenticate. If you didn't see the tab, sometimes it gives you the link. Copy that link and paste that link into your browser. It's going to open your account to authenticate you. As you can see at the left, we have like many tabs. You could see your post, you'll see your analytic, you'll see the inbox, inside of which messaging and comment, and then we have your API key, user, webhook, log, setting, etc. So we are going to see the post section and the analytic and the inbox section, and then we are going to get the API and connect it to Claude. So as you can see, this is the post. Inside the post section, these are my videos. I scheduled them in Facebook, LinkedIn, and X. Previously, I was just uploading video on YouTube, and then I discovered this platform, and I said, hey, I could upload my videos to all these platforms without me have to do to put extra effort. So I connected my account and just say to my Claude, hey, I have these videos in this folder, schedule them all. So as you can see, Claude schedule all the videos until the end of this month, July. So these are the videos. You will see all your posts here. You could filter them by post, draft, schedule, publish, or queued. You could filter them by platforms if you just want to see a TikTok post or Facebook, and you could also filter them by date. And then you have analytic tab. The analytic tab is the best. I like this because you will see the analytic of all your account in one clean dashboard. So you could also filter them by a platform or by profile or by a source or by date. You will see the post by platform, post over time, like per platform, likes over time, engagement over time, and the best time to publish. And you will see the platform breakdown, and then you will see the best performing post. And then you have inbox. This is where you see your comment and direct DM. So this is the comment. You could filter them also by platform. You know the drill. And then inside comment, we have like campaigns, workflows. You could create workflows. If someone send you a DM, you could like have a ready to be sent message as well. It's just like automation. I haven't looked at the workflows yet. I will look at it and I will record a video about it. And then we have, you could add your phone number as well. And then the last one where we are going to look at today is getting our API key and connect it to Claude. So go to API key to create your API key. Just create key and just name it something like content OS 2, and then make sure the permission is read and write, not read only. If you leave it read only, agent is only going to read your account. It's not going to write. It's not going to be able to schedule the post. So also give it full access and then create your API key. So this is the API key I'm talking about. Copy this your API key and go to your content operating system folder we have created at the beginning of the video. Inside your local environment file, this is example, my local environment file, type Zernio API key equal to, and then paste your API key here. And then ask Claude to see, I say, hey, do you see Zernio API key and all my accounts? So the agent is going to look at it if it's connected correctly and if it's not. This is how you connect Claude with Zernio API. And if you don't have this folder yet, go to my free school community here, come to AIOL Operator Lab, come to Content OS, and then come to Content OS and build your content operating system. Come down here, you will see Content OS. Download this zip file, and that is your content operating system folder I'm talking about. So just to show you a demo, this is the prompt I gave Claude. Hey, make a 25-second vertical short that recap all my content AI operating system series from episode 1, the twin, to the episode 4, the distribution, and schedule that post into all my social media platform. Use the Zernio API. So it took like 24 minutes and 10 seconds to create the video and then edit the video and then schedule the video. So let's just go to Zernio and see the video. I haven't look at the video yet, but hopefully the video is going to be all right. So the video is scheduled for tomorrow. Let's view it. So these are my posts and I'm going to filter it by date, just tomorrow's post. And I guess this one here. I built a machine that turned one idea
I built a machine that turns one idea into a published video, my face, my voice without me touching a camera, and I showed the entire build in 4 episodes. Episode 1, the twin. Clone my face with HeyGen, my voice with 11 Labs, and wired both into Claude. Episode 2, the edit, captions, cuts, motion graphics. An agent does it all, no timeline. Episode 3, the operator, 1 command, and the system runs the whole pipeline itself. Episode 4, distribution, every platform, 1 command, scheduled and posted, 4 episodes, 1 folder, and that exact folder is free in the school community. Links below. Go build your twin.
Well, that video is great. This was from one prompt, from creating the twin, editing the video with all these cool animations.
I built a machine.
To adding these motion graphics animations, to these captions, to publishing the video, all with one single prompt. So this is the power of Claude, and this is the power of automation and creating your operating system. So this is the full content operating system. We went from creating the folder structure. We have like main folder, skills, brand asset, workflows, theme, etc., etc. And then we cloned our face and our voice. We produce the video by editing it, and we distribute and we enhance the skill. So every time you use this workflow, your folder is going to be better and better and better. So don't forget to grab your content operating system from this free school community. See you in the next video, and peace.